Today I am reviewing KAIGERR LX15 Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle everything from work to entertainment with ease, the KAIGERR LX15 is a standout choice for 2025. This laptop brings together powerful performance, modern design, and versatile features in one sleek package, making it ideal for students, professionals, and home users alike. First, let's talk about performance. At its core, the KAIGERR LX15 is powered by the Intel Alder Lake N97 processor, featuring 4 cores and 4 threads, with a clock speed of up to 3.6 GHz. This ensures that everything from web browsing and streaming to office productivity and light creative work runs smoothly and efficiently. The laptop also comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking. Whether you have multiple browser tabs open, work with Microsoft Office applications, or stream media, this laptop can handle it all without lag. Plus, the 512GB M.2 SSD provides not only fast boot times and quick access to your files, but also enough storage for your documents, media, and applications. For those who need even more space, it supports expandable storage with up to 2 TB SSD options and a 128GB TF card slot, so you'll never have to worry about running out of room. Next, the display on the LX15 is impressive. With a 15.6-inch Full HD screen and thin bezels, you get a large, immersive viewing experience for work, study, and entertainment. The 1080p resolution ensures crisp visuals, while the LCD technology offers vibrant colors and clear details, perfect for watching videos or editing documents. For video calls or online classes, the laptop comes with a front-facing webcam centered above the screen, making it convenient and easy to connect with colleagues, friends, or family. When it comes to connectivity, the KAIGERR LX15 is designed to keep you connected anytime, anywhere. It includes a wide variety of ports: HDMI Type-A, USB 3.2, USB 2.0, Type-C data port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it compatible with all your peripherals. High-speed 802.11 AC Wi-Fi ensures smooth and reliable internet connectivity, while Bluetooth 5.0 allows you to connect wireless devices like headphones, mice, or speakers seamlessly. This combination of ports and wireless features makes it an extremely versatile laptop for any situation. Another great feature of the KAIGERR LX15 is its ultra-portable and slim design. Weighing just around 1.7 kilograms and with a thickness of 0.5 inches, it's easy to carry around whether you're heading to class, the office, or traveling. Despite its lightweight build, it doesn't compromise on a full keyboard with Numeric keypad, making typing and data entry fast and comfortable. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home, giving you access to all the latest features and apps, as well as Office 365 for productivity tasks. The long battery life ensures you can work or study for hours without needing to recharge, making it reliable for on-the-go use. Finally, KAIGERR offers excellent customer support, with 12 months of repair coverage and unlimited technical support. Their dedicated team is always available to help you troubleshoot or answer any questions, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. In summary, the KAIGERR LX15 is a powerful, sleek, and versatile laptop that ticks all the boxes for students, home users, and professionals alike. With its high-performance Intel N97 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, full HD display, long battery life, and excellent connectivity options, it is built to handle everything you throw at it. Whether you're working, studying, streaming, or gaming casually, this laptop ensures a smooth and reliable experience. For anyone in 2025 looking for a budget-friendly yet high-performing laptop, the KAIGERR LX15 is definitely worth considering.